My AirPods Pro starting to show some scratch marks, so I went on Amazon to find something that looks pleasing and protective. Something to bring me joy. And what's better than something named Maxjoy? So I bought it. Let's take another look at this TPU Shockproof skin. I know it looks thick, but it charges wirelessly. I've tested it out, and it comes in 5 different colors. All black, black and brown, black and blue, black and white, and black and yellow. And the prices varies between the colors from $9.99 to $10.99. Not a huge difference. The link to this product will be in the description below. And oh yeah, it also comes with a carabiner. I mean, this case is so nice, I had to put a ring on it. This is Adrian Antonio, and I'm out.